Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You'll start by ensuring you have administrative access because disabling private browsing modifies system or browser settings. Once logged in, close every Brave window so changes apply cleanly. Make a quick bookmark backup if you value sessions. Now open Brave settings. On Windows, you'll use the registry editor later. On Mac OS, use terminal or configuration profiles. I'll walk you through the specific steps for Windows and Mac OS, so keep admin credentials ready and proceed to the next step. Now you'll make the concrete change. On Windows, press Win+R, type regedit, and go to HKey local machine /software/policies/brave software/brave. Create a new word named Incognito mode availability and set it to 1 to disable Incognito. Once done, restart Brave. On Mac OS, create a configuration profile or edit Brave's preference. Please to set Incognito mode availability to true or use a managed preference. Save and finish by restarting your computer or at least signing out and back in so policy changes propagate. When Brave relaunches, open the menu. You should see only new window and no new private window option, which confirms success. If Incognito still appears, make sure the registry or profile path and key names are exact and that you used admin privileges. As a quick fix, revert your backup and reapply changes carefully. Then repeat the restart so the policy takes effect.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.